Today, I'm diving into an incredibly fascinating topic: how Bangladesh became a powerhouse in drone manufacturing. Yup, you heard that right. This South Asian nation is now at the forefront of modern drone technology, and it's a story worth telling. First off, let's talk about the why. Bangladesh has faced a range of challenges over the years, from climate change to economic hurdles. But instead of being held back, they've turned these challenges into opportunities. The government saw potential in the tech industry and started to invest heavily in education and tech infrastructure. This laid the groundwork for what was to come. Now, what makes Bangladesh's drones stand out? It's all about innovation and affordability. Companies like Drone Bangladesh Limited and Flytech have mastered the art of creating high-quality drones at a fraction of the cost you'd expect from Western manufacturers. These drones are being used for everything from agriculture and disaster management to surveillance and logistics. But it's not just about making drones, it's about making them smart. Bangladeshi engineers have integrated advanced AI and machine learning algorithms into their drones, making them more efficient and versatile. Imagine a drone that can analyze crop health in real time or assist in search and rescue operations with pinpoint accuracy. What's even more impressive is the local talent driving this industry. The country's universities and tech institutes are churning out highly skilled engineers and programmers. And let's not forget the startup culture that's booming here. Young entrepreneurs are constantly pushing the boundaries, making sure that Bangladesh remains a key player in the global drone market. A huge shout-out has to go to the government for its support too. Policies and incentives have been put in place to encourage innovation and investment in tech. This has created an ecosystem where both local and foreign companies feel confident to invest and grow. So, what's the takeaway? Bangladesh's rise in the drone manufacturing sector is a testament to what can be achieved with the right blend of talent, innovation, and government support. It's a powerful example for other developing nations aiming to make their mark in the tech world. Alright, that's it for today. If you found this video insightful, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think about Bangladesh's drone industry. Until next time, stay curious.